Hello everyone! Welcome to the very first lesson of our course. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of digital planners. Whether you're already familiar with them or just getting started, this lesson will equip you with the knowledge you need to understand the concept, benefits, and market demand for digital planners. So, what exactly is a digital planner? Well, think of it as your traditional paper planner, but in a digital format. Instead of flipping through physical pages, you'll be tapping and scrolling through your device to plan your days, weeks, and months. Digital planners come in various forms, from simple calendars to more intricate designs with customizable layouts and interactive features. You can use them for scheduling appointments, setting reminders, tracking goals, jotting down notes, and so much more. One of the great things about digital planners is their versatility. You can access them across multiple devices like your computer, tablet, or smartphone, making it easy to stay organized on the go. Plus, since they're digital, you can easily make edits, rearrange your schedule, or even sync them with other apps and platforms. Another key aspect of digital planners is their eco-friendliness. By going digital, you're reducing paper waste and doing your part for the environment. Plus, you'll never have to worry about losing your planner or spilling coffee on it. So, in summary, digital planners are modern, customizable, and eco-friendly tools for staying organized and productive in today's digital age. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone looking to streamline their life, digital planners offer a convenient and efficient way to manage your time and tasks. Now, let's delve into some of the exciting benefits of digital planners. Flexibility and accessibility. One of the biggest advantages of digital planners is their flexibility. You can access your planner anytime, anywhere, as long as you have your device with you. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, your planner is always at your fingertips. Customization. Digital planners offer endless possibilities for customization. You can personalize your planner to suit your unique style and preferences, from choosing your favorite colors and fonts to designing custom layouts that work best for you. Organization and efficiency. With digital planners, staying organized has never been easier. You can quickly add, edit, and rearrange tasks and events with just a few taps, helping you stay on top of your schedule and priorities. Plus, built-in features like reminders and notifications ensure you never miss an important deadline or appointment. Environmentally friendly. By going digital, you're doing your part to reduce paper waste and minimize your environmental footprint. Digital planners eliminate the need for physical paper, reducing the demand for resources like trees and water used in paper production. Integration with other tools. Digital planners seamlessly integrate with other productivity tools and platforms, making it easy to streamline your workflow and stay connected across devices. Whether you're syncing your planner with your calendar app, task management tool, or cloud storage service, everything stays in sync and up to date. Now, you must be wondering why digital planners have gained such popularity and are in such high demand in the market. Well, there are several reasons behind their widespread popularity, so let's delve into them. Increasing digitization. With the rapid advancement of technology, more and more aspects of our lives are becoming digital. From communication to entertainment to productivity, people are increasingly turning to digital solutions to manage their daily tasks and responsibilities. Busy lifestyles. In today's fast-paced world, people are busier than ever before. Between work, school, family commitments, and social activities, it can be challenging to keep track of everything. Digital planners offer a convenient and efficient way to stay organized and manage your time effectively, helping users juggle multiple responsibilities without feeling overwhelmed. Remote work and remote learning. The rise of remote work and remote learning has led to an increased demand for digital planning tools. With more people working and studying from home, there's a greater need for flexible and accessible solutions that can be accessed from anywhere, at any time. Environmental awareness. As awareness of environmental issues grows, more people are seeking eco-friendly alternatives to traditional paper products. Digital planners offer a sustainable solution by eliminating the need for physical paper, reducing waste, and minimizing their environmental impact. Technological advancements. Advances in technology have made digital planners more intuitive, user-friendly, and feature-rich than ever before. With innovations like touchscreens, stylus support, cloud synchronization, and integration with other apps and platforms, digital planners offer a seamless experience that meets the needs of today's tech-savvy users. And there you have it, understanding digital planners' concept, benefits, and market demand. They're not just fancy gadgets, they're game changers in how we plan and organize our lives. So get ready to embrace the digital planner revolution.